The entire history of Japan narrator, Japan's story spans thousands of years. The Jomon people, 14,000 BCE, were early hunter-gatherers, followed by the Yayoi, 300 BCE, who brought rice farming and metal tools. By 250 CE, the Yamato clan rose, laying the foundation for Japan's emperors. Buddhism arrived in the Asuka period, 538 to 710, blending with Shinto. The elegant Heian era, 794 to 1185, birthed samurai culture and classics like the Tale of Genji. War erupted. The Kamakura shogunate, 1185 to 1333, ruled as Mongol invasions failed, thanks to the kamikaze typhoons. Feudal lords fought during the Sengoku period, 1467 to 1600, until Oda Nobunaga, Toyotomi Hideyoshi, and Tokugawa Ieyasu united Japan. The Edo period, 1603 to 1868, brought peace and isolation. That ended in 1853 when U.S. ships forced Japan to open trade. The Meiji Restoration, 1868, modernized everything: military, industry, and society. By the 20th century, Japan became an empire, clashing in World War II. After Hiroshima and Nagasaki's atomic bombings, Japan surrendered in 1945. Rising from devastation, it rebuilt into a tech and economic powerhouse. Today, Japan is a blend of tradition and innovation, shaping the world. Arigato. Closing scene: futuristic Tokyo, cherry blossoms, Mount Fuji.